welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. This is definitely a plant that thrives on total and utter neglect. It's a tug to grow and will fill out an area very quickly for you and flower for months with red flowers like that. It's the devil himself, it's CROCOSMIA Lucifer. Really strong growing plant. We're out today feeding all our perennial flowers, all our roses, all our hydrangeas every 4 to 6 weeks with Flower Max to make sure we get lots of flowers. So we're also feeding CROCOSMIA Lucifer. Doesn't need it, but it'll produce more flowers if we feed it, and it'll bring out the intensity of that fantastic red. You can plant one now at this time of the year if you like, and very quickly develop into a good clump, go sleep for winter and come back year after year. That's CROCOSMIA Lucifer. It's only a matter of digging a decent sized planting hole, a little bit of super thrive at the bottom, as well compost and soil mixed on top of the same backing around, and be with you forever and a day. Just don't plant it too close to other plants because it grabs territory very quickly. But if you've got an area that can be quite happy grabbing territory, it's a great plant to plant. I'm going to give it a nice feeding now. So every 4 to 6 weeks we'll feed it like that to get the most from it. Beside it we have hydrangea Pinky Winky that definitely needs feeding. We have a nice peony rose here that needs feeding. We have a nice astilbe up here. So you get the idea, feed every 4 to 6 weeks from now with Flower Max to make the most from your plants. After this video I put up one of this one in flower last year at this point. Goodbye for now, enjoy your garden.